What? What? She's like, are you going to start this video or not, lady? What's going on, chicken friends? It's Donna Little from the Coop Scoop, and I hope you guys all had the best Thanksgiving. We had such a good time yesterday, and the weather was beautiful outside. The food was delicious. It was all those things that I rarely ever eat because I try to be a good girl, but man, was it good. But I didn't get to really give the girls their own Thanksgiving feast, and we're going to do that right now because I did toss them out the turkey carcass yesterday, but it was picked pretty clean and they didn't get to enjoy the whole feast. So I have thrown basically the entire kitchen sink at these girls, and I'm gonna put it out on the ground in the fence over there where they can't get to it until I put it down, so that they all have fair share chance, I should say, to get at it at the same time. But I'm gonna give them a little bit of turkey that's still left over. I'm going to give them some turkey liver that I cooked for them, because who doesn't cook for their chickens, right? And they're going to get some suet. They're going to get some of their fermented feed, some peas, some corn, some oats, all kinds of goodies. Are you ready, Cora? Are you? Do you want some Thanksgiving feast? All right, let me go get this down on the ground for the ladies and see what they think about it.
Ha ha ha.